not a lesson, it's a game lesson.
What is a game lesson?
It's a game that makes you learn and watch.
So what are we gonna learn?
About Barbies.
What is Barbie?
See?
And what is all of that?
Barbie clothes.
Barbie clothes. What kind of clothes?
It would take too long to answer.
What is that called?
Pant.
Pant. And what other clothes?
Dress.
Dress. Can you show me what a dress looks like? Oh, that's cute. What kind of clothes you have again?
I'll choose this dress today.
Oh, that's beautiful. And what is in the plastic bag?
Shoes.
Shoes? What kind of shoes?
High heels.
High heels?
Uh-huh.
Can you show me what high heels means?
After you open it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to show you a surprise.
What is that?
They have their own pillow.
Pillow! Wow! And is that also a Barbie car?
Yep.
Wow! So Barbie has everything. Is that a comb too?
I mean this cone.
What is it for?
Coning your Barbie's hair.
Oh,
See?
that's awesome.
And I needed to use a shoe for my Barbie.
Shoe? Oh, that's beautiful.
But it kind of fit her. It fits.
It fits? Thank you, Teacher Dunah.
If you want to learn more, just subscribe my channel.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.